Hi there. Welcome back. Today we're going to do another digital marketing stuff that matters, although today is going to be more of a pro tip than the format we've been using before. I'm going to talk about networking and this simple idea that can improve the impact of your networking activities. If it's a virtual network or hopefully soon an in-person networking event, people will ask, how do they get in touch with you? Well, the simple answer to that, of course, is you're going to get into your URL and /contact-us or whatever it might be, or you're going to give them a phone number. What works better is if you can use a vanity URL. So you want it to be easy to remember, easy to spell, and easy to say. Now, I'm going to show you an example of this. You'll redirect that URL to a page on your website where you can have a form that could be a contact form, or it could be an appointment booking form. We use Calendly for this. And there's lots of different ways that this can work for you. But the point is to use that easy to say, easy to spell, easy to remember URL. Now, I'm going to show you here. This is an example. I talk an awful lot about hub and spoke marketing, so I went out and I did a quick search at Namecheap. Namecheap is a domain registrar that we use. There are others, of course, many others. We like Namecheap, but the same functionality exists elsewhere. You do a search, you find, and for less than $10, I was able to buy hubandspoke.marketing as a URL. Then what I did is I went over to Cloudflare. This is just the free account. We have a pro account as well for our larger corporate websites, but the free account works just fine for this. And I added hubandspoke.marketing to our account. Then if you go to DNS, you can see that down here it's suggested there are the name servers that Cloudflare has assigned. So you go back to Namecheap, and you go down here and you can see we have set up custom name servers, and we've put those name servers in here so that Namecheap knows that these name servers are actually handling the web traffic. Then back over on Cloudflare, we added a free SSL certificate. Just use the flexible certificate. It's simple and easy. It was literally just a checkbox. And then we went down to rules, and we created a redirect rule so that it's a 301 redirect that permanently redirects hubandspoke.marketing to this page on our website. So if you go and put in hubandspoke.marketing, it redirects to a page on our website where there's a contact form, and you can download the digital ebook if you'd like. Another example is 6secondsorless.com. If you put in 6secondsorless.com and press and ask them to go find that, it takes you to the 6secondsorless.com website audit page, and embedded in that page is a Calendly calendar function. So that's the concept. It's pretty easy to do. It really helps a lot when you're trying to get people to come to your website and connect with you, and you're in a networking event where people are having to remember this. It also works very well if you're an expert guest on a podcast or a Facebook Live or something like that. People are often doing something else when they're listening, and giving them an easy to say, easy to spell, and easy to remember URL is a much more effective way to have them contact you if they're interested in what it is that you do and offer. Hopefully that's helpful. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.